In this video, we will learn how to configure the whiteboard. On the home page, begin by clicking on Whiteboard, then click on Create New Whiteboard. To establish a flow, start by moving a component from the left panel onto the board. Components should be placed in the sequential order of connect, collect, analyze, transform, visualize, and distribute. They should be linked by dragging one end of a component to the end of the next. On the right side panel, enter the whiteboard title and description. Label /tags is optional. At the end, click on Save to save the whiteboard. Start by double-clicking on Data Source Configuration. Click on your connection and then on Add Data Source. Go to Browse/Add Tags to set up your tags. After clicking Add Tags, make any needed changes. Continue clicking Next until you reach Save Configuration, and click it to save your configuration. Notice that the first component has turned green. In the same way, you can set up the remaining steps in the flow. Additionally, you can navigate between steps by double-clicking on the component.